Class 8th Geography, Chapter number 3, Mineral and Power Resources. Students, as you know, a natural occurring substance with a definite chemical composition is a mineral, and they are not evenly distributed over space. Minerals are concentrated in a particular area or rock formations. A few of these minerals are found in areas which are not easily accessible, such as the Arctic Ocean bed and Antarctica. Minerals are also formed in several types of geological environments under varying conditions. They are created by natural processes without any human interference. They can be identified on the basis of their physical properties such as color, density, hardness, and chemical property such as solubility. All these concepts related to these topics we will discuss in the chapter Mineral and Power Resources. Students, let's start. Types of minerals. Students, there are 3000 various types of minerals, and based on their composition they can be classified into metallic and non-metallic minerals. So now, what is metallic minerals? Students, metallic minerals contain metal in the raw form. Metals are hard substances that conduct heat and electricity and have a characteristic luster or shine. Iron ore, bauxite, manganese ore are some examples. Metallic minerals may be ferrous and non-ferrous. Ferrous minerals like iron ore, manganese, and chromides contain iron. In non-ferrous minerals does not contain iron, but they contain some other metals such as gold, silver, copper, or lead. So next is, what is non-metallic minerals? Students, non-metallic minerals do not contain metals. Limestone, mica, and gypsum are example of such minerals. The mineral fuel like coal and petroleum are also non-metallic minerals. Minerals can be extracted by mining, drilling, or quarrying. So next is mining is the process of extracting minerals from rock buried under the earth's surface. Meanwhile, in open case, mining minerals that lie at shallow depth are extracted by removing the surface layer. At the same time, shaft mining is the method in which deep pores called shafts are made to reach mineral deposits that lie at great depths. Also, drilling is the method used to bore deep wells so as to take out petroleum and natural gas that occur far below the earth's surface. So finally, in the method known as quarrying, minerals that lie near the surface are just dug out. So students, next is distribution of minerals. Students, minerals occur in different types of rocks. Some are found in igneous rocks, some in metamorphic rocks, while others occur in sedimentary rocks. Generally, metallic minerals are found in igneous and metamorphic rock formation that form large plateaus. Iron ore in North Sweden, copper and nickel deposits in Ontario, Canada, iron, nickel, chromides, and palladium in South Africa are examples of minerals found in igneous and metamorphic rocks. Sedimentary rocks formation of plains and young fold mountains contain non-metallic minerals like limestone. Limestone deposits of Caucasus region of France, manganese deposits of Georgia and Ukraine, and phosphate beds of Algeria are some examples. Mineral fuels such as coal and petroleum are also found in the sedimentary strata. So next topic is, students, our uses of minerals. Students, minerals for gems are set in various jewelry styles. Copper used in making coins and pipes. Silicon used in the computer industry is obtained from quartz. So next is how can we conserve minerals? Students, minerals and non-renewable resources take thousands of years for the formation and concentration of minerals. The rate of formation is much smaller than the rate at which humans consume these minerals. It is necessary to reduce wastage in the process of mining. Recycling of metals is another way to conserve mineral resources. So next our topic is students, power resources. Students, power resources. Power or energy plays a vital role in our lives. We also need power for industry, agriculture, transport, communication, and defense. Power resources may be broadly categorized as conventional and non conventional resources. So, firstly, we do conventional sources. Students, the energy which has been common use for a long example are firewood and fossil fuels. Firewood. Students widely use it for cooking and heating. 50% of the energy used by villagers comes from firewood. Remains of plants and animals which were buried under the earth of millions of years got converted by the heat and pressure into fossil fuels. Fossil fuels such as coal, petroleum, and natural gas are the main source of conventional energy. The rate at which the growing world population is consuming them is far greater than the rate of their formation. So these are likely to be exhausted soon. So next topic is coal. Students, abundantly found fossil fuel used as a domestic fuel in industries such as iron and steel, steam engines to generate electricity. Electricity from coal is called thermal power. The coal was formed millions of years ago when giant ferns and swamps got buried under the layer of earth. Coal is therefore referred to as buried sunshine. The leading coal producers of the world are China, USA, Germany, Russia, South Africa, and France. The coal producing areas of India are Raniganj, Jharia, Dhanbad, and Bokaro in Jharkhand. Students, our next topic is petroleum. Petroleum, as you know, petrol keeps your car running. Oil keeps your cycle from squeaking. Both begin as thick black liquid called petroleum, found between the layer of rocks drilled from oil fields located in offshore and coastal areas, sent to refineries which process the crude oil and produce a variety of products like diesel, petrol, kerosene, wax, plastics, and lubricants. Petroleum and its derivatives are called black gold, which are very valuable. Students, now topic is cheap petroleum producing countries. Cheap petroleum producing countries is Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, and Qatar. Other major producers are USA, Russia, Venezuela, and Algeria. Leading producers in India is Digbol in Assam, Mumbai High in Mumbai, and the deltas of Krishna and Godavari rivers. Next is natural gas. Students, found with petroleum deposits released when crude oil is brought to the surface, used as a domestic and industrial fuel. Major producers of natural gas: Russia, Norway, UK, and Netherlands. In India, Jaisalmer, Krishna Godavari Delta, Tripura, and some area offshore in Mumbai have natural gas resources. Students, next topic is tidal power. Rainwater or river water stored in dams. The falling water flow through pipes inside the dam over turbine blades placed at the bottom of the dam. The moving blades then turn the generator to produce electricity. This is called hydroelectricity. Water discharge after the generation of electricity is used for irrigation. 1/4 of the world's electricity is produced by hydel power. Leading producer of hydel power in the world: Paraguay, Norway, Brazil, China. Important hydel power station in India: Bakra Nagal, Gandhi Sagar, Nagar Jun Sagar and Damodar Valley projects. Next topic is students our non-conventional source of energy. Increasing use of fossil fuels leads to shortage. If the present rate of consumption continues, the reserve of these fuels will get exhausted. Their use also causes environmental pollution. Therefore, there is need for using non-conventional sources such as solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, which are renewable. Next topic is student solar energy. Solar energy trapped from the sun used in solar cells to produce electricity. Wind energy, an oxidable source of energy. Windmills are used for grinding grain and lifting water. High speed winds rotate the windmill, which is connected to a generator to produce electricity. Nuclear power obtained from energy stored in the nuclei of atoms of naturally occurring radioactive active elements like uranium and thorium undergo nuclear fusion in nuclear reactors and emit power. Geothermal energy. Students, heat energy obtained from the earth temperature in the interior of the earth rises straightly with depth. Heat energy may surface itself in the form of hot spring. This energy is used to generate power, and in the form of hot springs it has been used for cooking, heating and bathing. World largest geothermal power plants is in USA, followed by New Zealand, Iceland, Philippines and Central America. Students, next our topic is biogas. Students, organic waste like dead plant and animal material, animal dung and kitchen waste can be converted into a gaseous fuel called biogas. Organic waste is decomposed by bacteria in biogas. Digesters will emit biogas. A mixture of methane and carbon dioxide is an excellent fuel for cooking and lighting and produces huge amount of organic matter each year. Harnessing this energy is both difficult as well as costly. So students, this is your today's topic, mineral and power resources. I hope you understand the topic very well.